I believe it depends on the workspace, but twice a month. Vents, baseboards, chairs, tables, above furniture, behind computers, definitely all that area should be dusted. It does build up pretty frequently. So that's why it really depends how big is the area, what do you have in the area. It could be done twice a month, once a month, it really depends. Getting ducts clean, cleaning out the vents, especially the traffic that's coming in and out. Just the duster to dust out the vents and the areas. We do actually have chemicals as well that if we need it as well for that. Dust, vents, baseboards, computers, TVs, anything that the area needs to be dusted down. For office area, when people want to clean out their keyboards, yes. But we use microfiber cloths, we use dusters in the areas to remove it.